All right, back here at home, let's take a look outside where it's clear and calm out there. A little bit of haze on the horizon, air quality not the best still. As we take a look up into Isabella, you're at 72, Kernville 75. Here in Bakersfield 77, but still those 80s in Maricopa, down into Ridgecrest and China Lake. So as I zoom you out, you see how stable the state is, high pressure and control on either side. There's a little disturbance here moving over the Pacific Northwest. As we take a look at the water vapor imagery, you see that's pushing a little bit of fresh, albeit dry air into Northern California. We have plenty of dry air over our region as well. So it's still sunny and stagnant. That monsoonal moisture staying well out of our way for yet another day. But that low pressure system, as it continues to dig slowly onshore, will give us just a little bit of a southwesterly breeze tomorrow. That means a slight improvement in temperatures with a drop back to the 90s after 4 days in a row of 100s, today being the 4th. It also means a little bit of moving fresher air, so that should improve the air quality. High pressure is then dropping in and moving onshore for the weekend, so we're slightly warmer Saturday and Sunday. And then watch the next system, not coming low enough to bring us any chances of rain, but digging down some yellow contours there. That means the possibility for some 80s in Northern California. Here in Bakersfield, we are talking about some 90s, but they're low 90s at the end of the forecast. We haven't seen that in a long time. So from 103 today to 99 tomorrow, down to 95 by Friday. That's pretty average. And then a little bit warmer this weekend. You see these low 90s out there. Now, the last time we were even in the mid 90s was the 4th of July at 94. Last time we saw the low 90s was all the way back in June. So it's been about 2 months for us since we've had temperatures that nice, which are down below average. Kern River Valley 90s for you the next several days, but you see it is falling heading into the end of the week. Tehachapi 90 today and then 80s after that. Frazier Park, you're looking pretty great. Some low 80s on the horizon for you at the end of the week.